Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best tennis shoes for women, the Adidas Women's Grand Court 2.0 tennis shoe. These sleek and versatile sneakers aren't just for the tennis court. They're perfect for everyday wear, offering both style and performance. Let's delve into what makes them stand out. First off, let's talk about the construction. These shoes boast a recycled synthetic leather upper, providing not only durability but also a conscious nod towards sustainability. But what sets these shoes apart is the two-layer sock liner. The Cloud Foam Comfort technology ensures your feet are treated to ultimate softness and support, with each step feeling like a dream. And let's not forget about the rubber cupsole. It not only delivers exceptional grip on the court but also gives these shoes their iconic look. Plus, with at least 20% recycled materials used in their production, Adidas is making strides towards reducing waste and environmental impact. Whether you're rallying on the court or running errands, these Adidas Women's Grand Court 2.0 tennis shoes are sure to elevate your style and performance. That wraps up our review of the Adidas Women's Grand Court 2.0 tennis shoe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.